to my YouTube channel. This is Mama T, and for today's video guys, I'm gonna tell you more information about this Calor PURE TEX 4-in-1 garment steamer. So yeah, last time I made an unboxing video guys. If you want to watch it, I'm gonna link on my description box, or I'm gonna pin on my comment box guys, so you guys can find it easily. And yeah, if you really want, or if you're really interested to buy this one, so you guys can watch the unboxing moment. So yeah, for today's video I'm gonna tell you more information how to use the heads. So it has a multiple heads guys, and I'm gonna explain it today guys. So what is the use of this product? So it can be a steamer, dry clean, remove hair, and perfume. So yeah, and also it can smooth your non-ironable items. You know what I mean? Sometimes there is a clothes, or there's coat, for example coat, you cannot, you know, like you cannot do iron because it's very sensitive or fragile, but this one it can be possible. So I use this one guys whenever I'm about to go. So I don't prepare all my clothes to do like 1 hour, 2 hours, you know. I just use this one whenever I'm about to go. So I don't have to worry, because this one in just 25 seconds guys, it's already ready. And this one guys is very powerful, so you don't take too much time, you know, like 5 to 10 minutes, it's okay, because this one has 1700 watts guys, so it's very powerful really. And yeah, the power of the source of this steamer is cable, and this one is not too light, it's not too heavy, it's like 1 kilo 23 grams. Okay, so it's not sava, it's not heavy, it's okay. So yeah, thanks to all the advantage of this steam with sanitizing included and all natural sanitizing action, power of the steam refreshes, sanitizes and kill up to 99.9% viruses, bacteria and germs viruses. So yeah, and today guys I'm gonna show you and how to use the 3 multiple heads. Okay, and before that guys, please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel for more information about this Calor PURE TEX. So are you guys ready? Let's start. Our patented multi-head technology combines 4 actions in one, thanks to the clever system of interchangeable heads, all effortlessly. So this head is the fragrance diffuser. You can drop or spray some perfume, so you will enjoy a pleasant sensation with your favorite fragrance, thanks to the diffusion head. And now put it back and put the magnetic head, and we're on the go. Keep your home or your room with a pleasant smell. So the use of this head is to cleanse all fabrics. Reversible hair and lint removal head on one side and microfiber on the other to get rid of hair, dust, and lint on any type of fabric. So on this side, I'm gonna show you guys on how I dry clean my coat. So this one is dry clean. Okay, so we're going to dry clean. Refresh your most fragile and delicate fabrics without damaging or burning them. So now this one is clean and fresh. So this is the favorite panda of my son, so I make sure that this panda is always clean and no bacteria, no germs, so my baby can hug this panda every time he wants with no worries. It's too hot. 99.9% killed the bacteria. So this head helps you to wear your clothes without wrinkle by steaming them in no time. Thanks to a heating plate with 1700 watts power, continuous steam output of up to 30 grams per minute, temperature control, and well moreover. So behind me, that's my baby boy.
Turn it on. S'il te plaît, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25. It should be 25 seconds, but I count slowly. Button, and then you can boost the power here. Just press this one and then there you go. So look at this, guys. Okay, so this is what I did, and this one is not yet steam, so you guys can see the difference. Okay, I use this steamer, guys, every morning because my kids like to wear warm clothes because it's winter, you know, it's too cold outside, so they really love to wear warm clothes. So yeah, I always use this one every morning, so this is really perfect for me and for my kids. There you go.
Go, 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 go.
Leave it. Il est chaud?
Oui. Il est pas chaud, il est hyper chaud.
Hyper chaud. Oh. Oh. So yes, guys, I show you all how I use this steamer. So this is the container, guys, so you can put the magnetic head inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. A small thing for you, but big thing for Mama G. So yeah, if you have any question about this steamer, guys, you can put your comment down below and I will try my best to answer it for you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!